In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Binance account statement, a snapshot revealing your balances and wallet values as of a specific date. This comprehensive overview captures your holdings across spot, margin, futures, funding, and earn wallets. Understanding how to obtain this statement can be crucial for both personal finance tracking and official reporting purposes. And today, we'll walk through this process together in a detailed and easy-to-follow manner. First, let's define what your account statement contains. On Binance, the account statement serves as a detailed record of your crypto holdings across various wallets at a specific snapshot in time, precisely at midnight UTC. Whether you're interested in the balances within your spot wallet, margin account, or even your earnings wallet, you'll find all these details captured and neatly presented. It's worth noting that this functionality is exclusively available via the Binance website, not the mobile application. So you'll need to use a desktop browser to get started. Begin your journey by logging into your Binance account through your preferred desktop browser. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the navigation bar, where you'll find the Wallet option. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Statement from the list to proceed. Now, you'll need to tailor the report to your specific needs. The interface will prompt you to select several key parameters, starting with the date. Keep in mind that Binance refreshes balances daily right at 00 UTC, which means the most recent data available will typically be from the day before yesterday. This is important for ensuring the accuracy and relevance of the information you're capturing. Next, decide whether you're focusing on your main account or if you're interested in one of your sub-accounts. Make your selection based on your specific needs. As you continue, you'll choose the wallet type you wish to include in the statement, whether it be spot, margin, futures, funding, or the earn wallet. Another customization option available is selecting the display currency. You can choose either Bitcoin, BTC, or a stablecoin like USDT to fit your preference. Once you've made these selections, click the Search button to generate a preview of your chosen snapshot. To complete the process, it's time to export this valuable information. Locate and click on the Export button situated at the top right corner of the summary page. Here, you'll be faced with a couple of decisions regarding the format of your export. If you prioritize sharing or archiving, the PDF format is recommended, offering robust encryption with an 8-digit password. For a simpler, more visual capture, you might prefer the JPEG format. After making your selection, you have the option to send this file to yourself or perhaps share it directly via email, fully password protected, ensuring security. Finally, remember that once created, the download link for your statement is live for only the next 7 days. So to make sure you have it safely stored, download it promptly. With these steps, you should find yourself adept at exporting your Binance account statements efficiently and securely.